BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee now has issued a stern warning to illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. Now, while addressing a rally in Bengal, Narendra Modi says that he will send them packing if the NDA forms the government at the centre.
16 मई के बाद ये बांग्लादेशी बिस्तरा बोरिया बांध के तैयार रखें.
Another threat, another warning. In Bengal, BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee sending out a clear message.
भाइयों बहनों लिख करके रखिए, 16 मई के बाद ये बांग्लादेशी बिस्तरा बोरिया बांध के तैयार रखें.
He tore into Mamta while raising the issue, accusing the West Bengal Chief Minister of indulging in vote bank politics.
भारत माता की बांग्लादेशी आ जाए, वाह, आपके चेहरे पर क्या चमक आ जाती है. वोट बैंक की राजनीति के खातिर आप भारत मां के सपूतों का अपमान करते हो.
He raised the issue of illegal Bangladeshi migrants several times this election season, but the tone was never as threatening.
Infiltration is a sensitive issue here in West Bengal, like any other northeastern states that share border with Bangladesh. This is for the first time Narendra Modi has declared that the Bangladeshis will be sent back to their homeland without clarifying what procedure will be followed for that.
Modi's warning coming over 2 months after he said Hindu Bangladeshi migrants must be accommodated in India.
भाइयों बहनों, हम नहीं चाहते कि जो बांग्लादेश से हिंदुओं को खदेड़ दिया गया है, इनका बोझ अकेला आसाम उठाए तो आसाम के साथ अन्याय होगा.
He has threatened to send them packing if he comes to power, a decision that could have huge political ramifications if the NDA forms government after May 16th. Bureau Report, Times Now.